Hi guys, I'm teenjuwel cosplay and today I'm going to do a poison ivy tutorial. But I wanted to show you guys how I do my body painting. Normally I paint my entire upper body and my arms and my legs. But today, because it's a video, I'm going to just do my face, a little bit of my collarbones and my arm. I'll start off with the base. I'm not going to use a primer. I'm just going on with the body paint. And I have three colors I normally use. The first one is the top one here. It's from Mad Paradise in the color Lime. It's the one I use when I want to go the exotic way with poison ivy. Secondly, I have these two. They're 403 and 001 from Grimas. It's the bottom one here. I mix them together so I can get a nice green and really make it look a little more natural. But today I'm going to use this pastel from Grimas in number 406. It's a really nice pastel in the middle one, green, because I choose to do it as light as possible because I'm really fair myself. And today I'm going to use that. So what you need for just body painting is a cup of water. I use a foundation brush because it's nice and easy to put on the skin, and a little sponge so I can even it out if it's streaky. So I have a paper towel here. So if my brush is too wet, I can just dab it on here, because if you body paint, you don't want your brushes or your sponges too wet, because else it's not gonna stay on your face. So I'm taking my brush, going around, and just start somewhere. So now I have my face based out. It looks really weird right now. So next I will take a sponge. If you dab it on your face, just it in a tapping motion, it will give a nice even color. With green, because it's the opposite of your skin color, you really have to do this. Make sure your sponge is not too wet. So here it's dry and here it's wet, so it looks a little different, but that will change when it dries out. See, I used a little bit too much water here, so I have to leave it. Don't touch it until it's dry and then go over it again. I like to do my ears with the sponge instead of the brush because I can just step it. And because I'm going to wear a wig, you won't really see my ears, but they'll be green enough to see that I did not miss them. What I like to do next is take some banana powder or other loose powder and just brush it over the makeup. The edges of your costume or your clothes will get filthy with your body paint, but to make it as less as possible, I just take a little bit of powder and just brush it all over. Water-based body paint really dries out your skin, but when I take it off, I use body lotion because else my skin will cry out for some hydration. You really want to take care of your skin after you worn body paint. So yeah, I'm using this Makeup Revelation eyeshadow palette. Those are the green shades, and for Poison Ivy I only use green shades. First I'm going to use a crease brush, and I will use the color Got Back, the dark green one, and put it in my crease. Doing makeup on body paint is a lot tougher than just normal skin. It falls out easier, it doesn't stay as well as you want, so you really have to bring it in there. Next, I'm going in the eyelids with Beg for More. So the normal green without glitter. Just fill it in and blend it just a little bit. Don't push too hard, because that can also get rid of your body paints. Now with the same brush I'm going to pick Dazzle, the green with the glitter, and put it where I think it sits nicely, like in the middle and close to the corner of my eye. Next, with a normal blending brush, I'll take the Hot Mess color, the dark green with the glitter, doing eyeshadow on body paint really is a lot tougher. Your skin is a little bit dried out, so your eyelids don't tend to go to waste like you're used to on normal skin. So keep that in mind. I will use a little bit of the white shade Breathe and put it in my inner corner. I use Razzle, the silver color, this one, and just blend it. Because my waterline is still pinkish red, I have to use a pencil. This one is from Rimmel London. It's really old, but I think you can find something like this. I use a little smudge brush. Take the deep green color without glitter and just for my eyebrows, I'm using the LA Girl shading pencil in the color Auburn. And for my eyeliner, I'm using Sleek Dip It. And for mascara, I'm just using a waterproof mascara. Next, I'm going to do some highlighting and a little bit of contouring, not too much. I'm using the angled brush Back for More, this one. Just a little bit, tap it off. Put it a little bit on the side of my nose. Like so. A little tiny bit underneath my cheekbone. For highlighter, I used the Solstice palette from Sleek. Lastly, we have to do a lip, and I'm using from Color Drain the color Ivy, and from Lipland the color Vortex. Just the Ivy, and I'm going in with a little bit of black on the sides. I'm going to put on my wig, and I'll see you guys in a bit.